Hey there, fellow food lovers. Are you ready to embark on a culinary journey like no other? Today, I've got some crazy food combinations from around the world that will blow your mind and tantalize your taste buds. First up, let's head over to Japan, where they have a unique twist on the beloved hot dog. Ever heard of an octopus sausage? That's right. Picture a hot dog, but instead of a regular sausage, they use tiny octopus-shaped sausages. It's both cute and delicious. Next stop, India. Brace yourselves for the spicy, sweet, and savory fusion of mango pickle with vanilla ice cream. Trust me, the tangy heat of the mango pickle perfectly balances the creamy sweetness of the ice cream. It's a flavor explosion you never knew you needed. Now let's jet over to Sweden for a true Viking experience, their fermented herring, also known as surströmming. Pair this pungent fish with some sweet buttery flatbread, and you're in for a traditional Swedish treat. The smell might be strong, but the taste is unforgettable. From Sweden, let's fly to Mexico. Here you'll find chapulines or roasted grasshoppers, often served with guacamole. The crunchiness of the grasshoppers adds a delightful texture to the creamy, rich guacamole. It's a snack that's full of protein and packed with flavor. Jumping continents, we land in South Korea, where they have a street food sensation called tteokbokki, spicy rice cakes served with cheese. This combo of chewy rice cakes smothered in a spicy sauce and topped with melted cheese is pure comfort food heaven. And finally, let's visit the USA for a wild ride with peanut butter and pickle sandwiches. It might sound strange, but the salty, nutty goodness of peanut butter combined with the tangy crunch of pickles is surprisingly addictive. That's a wrap on our crazy food combinations from around the world. Which one are you most excited to try? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next delicious episode.